Add Instagram on WhatsApp. What's up, guys? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video I show you how you can add Instagram and also Facebook here on your WhatsApp business process. Very quick and easy. Guys like videos of that type here on the channel already have other related videos. Subscribe to the channel. Leave the like. I'm always making videos to help you. So let's go, guys. Video updated. I made this video after the new layout. So a new layout changed some things, and in this video here I will explain how it is done now. I will open here the WhatsApp, already opened here the WhatsApp, guys, and you will click here below on tools. The layout changed, so changed here the configuration. Now here below we'll click on tools, and tools will have option here of Facebook and Instagram. You will add your account of Instagram and Facebook on your account of WhatsApp. Just click here above and you will add. Just click on that plus sign here on the side, click on continue, and we'll choose a page that you manage. Just click here below on connect the WhatsApp. You will do the same process on your account of Instagram. Could put below in the comments. Subscribe on the channel for more videos, tutorials. I will be staying here. Big hug. Stay with God. Thank you, guys.